Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to check list of environment variables in Windows 10. So firstly click on Start and type regedit regedit. Right click on registry editor, then click on run as administrator. If it will ask permission, so click on yes. Now if you see this type of registry editor, so firstly you make like this. So expand H key current user and double click on environment. So guys, here you can see and check environment variables. So hopefully guys you like this video. By these simple steps we can know how to check and see a list of environment variables in Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video.